thing is in my eye.
We should over just.
Oh, hey! How's it going? You can start anytime.
Okay. Welcome, everyone. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventures.
Yeah, we're waiting for the big storm that's supposed to be coming, and we thought while we're waiting for this big storm that we hopefully don't get, 'cause we're not snow people.
We're not?
Well, kind of, little snow, not
Oh, okay.
big snow.
Okay.
Not big snow.
No.
We thought we'd take you on a Christmas road trip to some of our favorite Christmas towns that maybe you hadn't seen before.
We had to start with the town Rand McNally and USA Today have called one of America's most beautiful small towns.
It's really distracting. Talking about Bardstown, Kentucky.
Oh.
Hey, I feel like I should be. Wow. Oh, that is cool.
Oh.
I guess that means we're officially getting the Christmas spirit.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
We're right in the middle of the traffic circle. Yep, they got a traffic circle and it's really busy, usually 24/7, 365.
We're here tonight because it's Light Up Bardstown night.
Tonight, Bardstown will be awash in hundreds, maybe thousands, maybe millions of beautiful decorative Christmas lights.
It's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
Lights are going to be coming on soon.
Woo! No, it's not getting scary. We're getting Christmassy. Now take for granted we're in the main part of Bardstown, and yet there is like a building made of hewn logs right here. It's now a retirement services building, but look at this building. Wow. We're talking 1800s. We have found a really cool place to go. It's a 1950s.
Soda shop.
Yeah. And that's where we're going right there, Herstrug's. It's not open. Bummer. That's a soda fountain. Look at that. 1950s elegance right there. I think we're down to 9 minutes now, 8,
Oh
7,
gosh.
6, 5.
It's about 6 minutes away.
This is going to be beautiful in a minute. It's kind of creepy looking right now, isn't it? But in a few minutes, Christmas magic will happen. It's Santa with little bitty horses and no reindeer. And there he is. Look, I told you. Little bitty horse, it's so cute. Can you feel the tension mounting? Can you feel the excitement building?
I'm just waiting. We still have about 4 minutes left.
4 minutes, that's all we've got to wait.
So I've never seen them light up the courthouse. So it'll
I've
be
seen a
fun.
picture, but that's
have
it.
you?
And the picture was fantastic. So
Oh, okay.
this is why we're here.
And they have carolers.
Here we go. They're turning on all the street lights. I don't know why. But here we go. Light up Bardstown! Welcome to Santa Claus, Indiana, where it's all about Christmas, baby. Ho, 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 ho. What we're coming to see is what people have come to see since 1935. The big guy himself, 22 feet tall. That's a whole lot of Santa. People have been taking pictures with that Santa since 1935. 2 stories tall. We found the place that every kid is going to love. This is where you send your letters to Santa, and the elves actually answer you. It's the Santa Claus Post Office. The only Santa Claus post office in the United States. We're gonna go inside, maybe meet an elf or two. And here it is, where Santa's elves answer your letters to Santa. You can actually get a postmark from Santa Claus. 12 months out of the year, every day of the year, someone can write a letter to Santa Claus, and at Christmas time, Santa will answer that letter. But if kids are willing to come down to the post office and write their letters, they can sit in one of these antique vintage... What are you doing?
I'm writing my letter.
What? I was going to write mine.
I know, but I figured I'd have a better chance of getting what I want because I've been better than you this year.
Okay, yeah, you probably have been better than me. Check this out. The Santa Claus Museum is a place you can come to find some great vintage pictures. This is from one probably in the 40s of Santa Jim.
You know, Santa Jim was a fixture at Santa Claus Land. You know, for decades, he listened to the children's Christmas wishes. He fed the reindeers. He participated in events. He really helped publicize the amusement park all across the nation.
We are here, Santa's Candy Castle. And look, it's America's first themed attraction, making Christmas memories since December 22nd, 1935. Talk about your plethora of Santa stuff and Santa candy and toys.
Sure, I'll take mine.
Oh,
No,
fudge.
whatever.
It's Ralphie. We got candy in this place. Look at this peppermint. I'm on sugar overload and I haven't touched anything yet. Oh, man. Are you looking at the scorpion suckers on actual scorpions in a sucker? Oh, wait. This is for your aunt. Get it? Your aunt. Never.
Okay.
It's an ant sucker.
Cricket lick it.
Cricket. And a cricket lick it. Who doesn't need one of those, right? This candy gives me an idea. If they made up a candy called dashes, they could combine them and make Morse code. Of course, while we were here, we had to stop and check out Holiday World, which used to be Santa Claus Land. But much to our dismay, well, you can see what happened. Ready? Here we go. Here's a little interesting fact about the Mega Cavern. If you filled it full of boats or cars, it would hold 16,000 of them. Depending on the atmosphere, if there's enough moisture, the caverns can actually produce their own snow as the winds blow through the caverns. How cool is that? Honestly, the most fun about this ride tonight, not so much the Christmas lights, but going through the cavern, driving through this massive cavern. And as I drive through it tonight, I'm going to have some cool facts you might not know about it. One thing really cool about the cavern is it's always cool, 58 degrees year-round. Believe it or not, you don't smell gas fumes. I guess there's enough ventilation going through the cavern to blow it all out. I was hoping we could drive by the zip lines, but that wasn't gonna happen. Oh, cool fact. There are 17 miles of passageways in this cavern.
We are at Kings Island in Cincinnati, Ohio.
For Winterfest.
You see behind us?
There's ice skating. Oh man! See the Eiffel Tower? It will be a treat. Look at Aunt Annie. She's got a stein up top. What a stein. Thing's massive. I like that. There was snow coming out of here a minute ago. But the little characters, the snow's gone. There's the snow. It's not real, but it gives a December feel to a December day. Of course, the whole idea behind Winterfest is when the sun goes down and the lights come on. We got here a little early just to get a sneak preview of what's going on. Hang on, guys. It's going to get really good. Real quick. There he is, and he's got a Coke. It's the Coca-Cola Santa. What is this? The 60th anniversary of the Coca-Cola Santa? I get it. It doesn't matter. It's nice to see Santa anytime. Look, the Ice Princess. Ice Prince.
Such a pleasure.
We've met royalty. Royalty. Wow.
You and the who are you question. Could you see the ice on her head?
Well, I had to ask who she was.
Ice on her head.
Well, I was impressed once I found out. This is what Main Street looks like at night. Remember when we walked in, I told you it looked so much better in the dark? There you go. Wow, that tree is huge. And of course, Kings Island has all kinds of places you can buy stuff, especially for the Christmas season.
I think I needed this tonight, to just really get in the Christmas spirit.
Say, Mrs. Claus, what do you think we'll do at the closing time today?
I don't know, maybe have a hot cocoa?
Oh, cocoa. Well, I was thinking of yoo-hoo, but okay. If you needed a reason to get into the holiday spirit, you need to check out Kings Island Winterfest. Oh man, I'm ready for Christmas now. Hypnotic. Season pass. This guy over here will guess our weight. We could win something.
Well, no thanks.
No? Why?
I don't want anybody guessing my weight.
You're like a model. I mean, you know, he's not going to guess your weight. It's just fool an elf. How hard can it be to fool an elf?
Because I'm afraid he's going to guess way more than what I weigh, and that would be insulting to me.
Did you see the movie? Come on.
Yes, I did.
Well, there you go.
I'm not.
3, 2, 1.
I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the Christmas tree.
You keep...
You said it wrong.
Christmas tree.
I'd say Christmas.
Huh?
You said crystal.
I said Christmas.
Oh, okay. Try it again.
3, 2, 1.
I saw Mommy kissing... No, you're too low.
I. Just sing.
Okay. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the Christmas tree last night.
How they got under our Christmas tree, we'll never know.
That's good. That's good.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for rain.